Hey everybody, welcome back to Sportsman 101. I just got back from vacation. I spent almost a week over at my dad's house. He lives on a lake, so I have some great footage for you guys. Wildlife footage and fishing footage. And I'll be sharing that with you guys over the next couple weeks. But while I was gone, I received a package from Topwater King. And I'll be opening that for you in a minute here. Now, not too long ago, the Topwater King had a contest out for largest bass. I did not win that contest. I believe the largest bass there was 5 pounds. But as I was weighing my entry for his contest, my scale was off. It was off by an awful lot, and about a pound actually. I think the scale said something like 3 pounds 10 ounces when the fish was really just over 2 pounds. And I did go back and say that because I didn't want to cheat in his contest. So he also sent me a prize for being honest, a nod for being honest, and I'm glad that that kind of thing is still appreciated out there. Anyways, let's open it up. These are lures that Topwater King makes through his company, Doc's Lure Company. Okay, so we have business card, very nice. Oh, look at that, that's a really cool bag. Fishing keeps family together. Dang right it does. And also we have a set of plastic worms. Now I told him to send me whatever color he thinks works best on bass. And these are 6-inch worms. That's pretty cool. I will be using these, sir. Thank you very much. Like I said, I really appreciate that things like honesty are still appreciated out there. But anyways, guys, this is just a quick video I wanted to make. I will leave Topwater King's link in the description below. Go check out his channel. Go check out the lures that he sells. I believe he sells them on eBay. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.